How to create a Walmart shopping list. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to create a Walmart shopping list so that it helps you organize the item you need, save products for later, and make future shopping trips more convenient, here's how you can do it. First of all, go open up a web browser and type in walmart.com and visit the official website of Walmart. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well by using your email and password or any other login method if available. Finally, after you're inside the main homepage logged into your account, go ahead and click on this My Items option from the top right corner and select Lists. After you're inside the list page, scroll down and click on this Create a New List option right next to List. Enter your list name you want to create, and once you are done, click Create. Now, search for the item in the search bar, and from the search result, select the type of item you want. Once you find the item, click on Find Item, and all the items similar to your search will be displayed. Now, if you want to add the item to your list, click on Add to List, and you have added an item to your new shopping list. You can now add more products, remove items, or edit the list name whenever needed. That's how you create a shopping list on walmart.com. If you ever want to visit your list, go to the My Item button from the home page, which is located at the top right. Just click on that and select List. Inside the List tab, you'll see your new list displayed. So there you go. That is how you create a shopping list on walmart.com. Using this list makes it easier to keep track of products you need and helps streamline your online shopping experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.